Hello and welcome everyone, myself Vishal, and in today's video we are going to solve another interesting lead code problem, and it is also a part of lead code maze challenge. So let's begin. So today's problem is first unique character in a string. So let's understand the problem statement, and after that we will move towards that how we can solve this problem. So problem statement is we have been given a string. Suppose the string is lead code. So we have to find the first character which is non-repeating, means first character whose frequency is only 1. So here L is the first character which is not repeating, so we have returned the index of this L. And for this second string, the string is love lead code. So here L is repeating, O is also repeating, V is first non-repeating character, so we are returning the index of V, which is 2. So let's understand that how we can approach to solve this problem. So there are various solutions or various approaches present to solve this problem. In today's video we will discuss one. So let's discuss our approach, that how we can solve this problem. So in this approach, given a string, suppose lead code. So in our approach we are going to create a lookup table, a table which will contain the frequency of each and every character, and after that we will iterate to the string again, and then we will check the first character which has frequency 1, means which has occurred only once in the whole string, and then return the index. So let's understand that what is lookup table. Lookup table is basically a kind of array, okay, array of characters, array of integers, and the index of each and every position will represent a character. Suppose the index 65 is an index, so the index 65 will represent capital A. So whatever value we will store in at this index will represent the value of the number of times the capital A is appeared in a string S. So this is our basic approach. So what will be total size? Total size will be basically 127, 0 to 127. Why 0 to 127? Let's understand. So ASCII value of A is basically 65, and ASCII value of capital Z is 90. Similarly for small a it's 97, and for capital Z it's 122. So what is my target? I have created firstly an array of integers. Okay, now each index will represent ASCII value of a character. For example, the index 65, suppose this is the index 65, this will represent the ASCII value of A, and the count, the value of count in this particular position will represent the frequency of, means the count of this character in a string. So that's why I have created this array. We can also call it as lookup table. So let's go through the solution first, and let's see whether it works or not. So suppose we have a lookup table something like this. Okay, now we will iterate through the string. Firstly we encounter L. So we go to that index which represent the character small l, and then increase the counter by 1. After that we will go here, it is E, so we will go to the index which is representing E and increase the counter by 1. Now again we are encountering E, so we will again go to the index which is representing E, and then increase the counter by 1. Okay, now T, so we will go to the index which is representing T and increase the counter by 1. Okay, now C, so here increasing the counter by 1. Now O, okay, increasing counter by 1. Now D, increasing counter by 1, and now E, again increasing counter by 1. So we have now frequency of each and every character present in this string. Now we will iterate through this string again. Okay, and this time our strategy will be different. At this time when we will iterate, the first string whose frequency is 1 we will basically return that index of that character. Okay, so for int I equals to 0, I less than s dot length, okay, I plus plus, okay, if suppose the name of this table is ch, so if ch of int s dot char at I equals to 1, return I. So we are basically returning the index, and if none of the characters has frequency 1, means all the characters are repeating characters, if something like this will happen, then we will simply return -1. Why I have written int here? It will basically convert the corresponding character into its equivalent ASCII value. So this is the whole logic. Now let's code. Now hope you know the logic. Let's code. Okay, so here we will try to code. Firstly, I have told you that we will create a lookup table. Okay, so int ch equals to new int 128. After that, what we will do, we will try to iterate through the string. Okay, so for int I equals to 0, I less than s dot length, I plus plus. Now we will increase the frequency of each and every character which is encountered in the string. So ch as int s dot char at I plus plus. Okay, now we have frequency of all the characters present in the string. Now we will iterate to the string again. Int I equals to 0, I less than s dot length, I plus plus, and check the first string whose counter is 1, means whose frequency is only 1, and return that character. Okay, so the condition will be if ch int s dot char at I equals to 1, we will return I. Otherwise, once we have reached to the end of the string and there are no character whose frequency is 1, it means all the characters are repeating characters, then in that case we will return -1. So that's the overall solution. Let's see whether our solution is accepted or not. So it is accepted, and see, our submission is better than 85.89% of Java submissions. There are some better ways to do this, but if you want, I can also make a video for that. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks.